In recent years, Bitcoin has been the subject of widespread media attention and investment hype. It has been hailed as a revolutionary technology that will change the way we think about money, and as a speculative investment that could either make you a fortune or lose you everything. But what exactly is Bitcoin, and why has it captured the world's imagination so thoroughly? In this video, we will delve into the history of this digital currency, from its humble beginnings to its current status as the biggest hype of the 21st century. Part 1. The birth of Bitcoin. The first thing to understand about Bitcoin is that it is not a physical currency. It's a digital asset that exists purely in the virtual world, and it is stored and traded using specialized software called a wallet. The idea of a digital currency is not new. In fact, various forms of electronic money have been around for decades. However, Bitcoin was the first to use a revolutionary technology called blockchain to create a decentralized, peer-to-peer financial system. The creator of Bitcoin, an anonymous person or group of people known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, first introduced the concept in a white paper published in 2008. The paper outlined a new type of currency that would be free from the control of any central authority and would allow users to make transactions directly with each other without the need for intermediaries. The following year, the first Bitcoins were mined, and the currency slowly gained traction as a niche investment and medium of exchange. Part 2. The rise of Bitcoin. Over the next several years, Bitcoin went through a series of ups and downs as its value fluctuated wildly and the world slowly began to take notice. The first major bubble occurred in 2013, when the price of a single Bitcoin skyrocketed from around $13 to over $260 in just a few months. This was followed by a rapid crash, and the price settled back down to around $100 by the end of the year. Despite these ups and downs, the overall trend was upward, and by 2017 the price of a single Bitcoin had reached an all-time high of $19,783. This spectacular rise was driven by a combination of factors. Firstly, increasing awareness and understanding of blockchain technology helped to boost confidence in Bitcoin as a legitimate investment. Secondly, a surge of institutional investment helped to drive up the price, as hedge funds and other large investors began to take an interest in this new and exciting asset class. Finally, the rise of cryptocurrencies in general, and Bitcoin in particular, was fueled by a general sense of excitement and hype that was sweeping across the world. Part 3. The fall of Bitcoin. However, the good times couldn't last forever, and the bubble finally burst in late 2017. The price of a single Bitcoin began to drop rapidly, and by December of that year it had plummeted to less than $3,000. Over the next few years, the price remained volatile, that generally trended downward, with occasional spikes caused by market speculation and rumors. So, what caused the fall of Bitcoin? There are a number of factors that contributed to this downturn, including a general sense of disappointment among investors who had been burned by the bubble, increased regulation from governments and financial institutions, and a lack of widespread adoption and use of the currency. Perhaps most importantly, however, was a growing realization that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies simply aren't as revolutionary as they were once thought to be. Part 4. The future of Bitcoin. The future of Bitcoin is highly debated and uncertain. On one hand, some experts believe that it has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry, with increasing adoption and recognition as a legitimate form of payment and investment. On the other hand, others have raised concerns about its volatility, lack of regulation, and the potential for malicious actors to take advantage of the technology. In terms of its value, Bitcoin has had a volatile history, with sharp rises and drops in value, which makes it a risky investment. However, its popularity has continued to grow, and more businesses and individuals are starting to recognize it as a legitimate form of payment. There are also debates about the scalability of Bitcoin and its underlying blockchain technology, as well as concerns about energy consumption associated with its mining process. Overall, the future of Bitcoin is still uncertain, and its value and usage may continue to fluctuate. It is important for individuals to carefully consider the risks and potential rewards before investing in or using Bitcoin. Part 5. The lessons learned. The rise and fall of Bitcoin has taught several valuable lessons that can be applied to investing, finance, and technology. Some of these lessons include: 1. The importance of proper research and due diligence. Before investing in Bitcoin or any other asset, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the underlying technology, risks, and potential rewards. 2. Market volatility. Bitcoin's rapid rise and sharp fall serve as a reminder of the extreme volatility of cryptocurrency markets. Investors should be prepared for sudden price swings and plan accordingly. 3. Decentralization has its challenges. While decentralization is one of the key benefits of Bitcoin, it also presents challenges when it comes to regulation, security, and market stability. 4. The power of marketing and media. The hype surrounding Bitcoin played a significant role in its rapid rise, but also contributed to its eventual downfall. 4. Media and marketing can have a profound impact on the perception and value of an asset. 5. Innovation drives progress. Bitcoin paved the way for new technologies and paved the way for blockchain to become the backbone of a new generation of financial services. These lessons underscore the importance of caution, research, and being prepared for the ups and downs of the market. It's essential to remember that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies remain a relatively new and rapidly evolving asset class, and there is much we still have to learn about them. In conclusion, the rise and fall of Bitcoin serves as a lesson for investors, entrepreneurs, and individuals alike. It highlights the importance of staying informed, understanding the risks involved, and not blindly following the hype. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain, and while it may see further highs and lows, it is important to understand the technology behind it and the impact it could have on the global financial system. As Bitcoin continues to evolve and mature, it is clear that it will remain a topic of much debate and discussion. Whether you are an advocate or a skeptic, it is important to keep an open mind and stay informed. It is also important to remember that investing in any asset carries risks, and one should always be prepared for the possibility of loss. Ultimately, the rise and fall of Bitcoin serves as a cautionary tale for those looking to invest in emerging technologies and new markets. While there is always potential for great reward, it is equally important to understand the potential risks and be prepared for any eventualities. Thanks for watching.